3, 2, 1, go! Namaskar friends, Sunil here, and I hope you all had great and safe festive season. Now today we are here to review MI Band 5 or basically compare MI Band 5 with MI Band 4. I didn't do any unboxing or overview because it's very similar to MI Band 4, you all know, and I have done a detailed review of MI Band 4. So those who want to know more about MI Band 4 plus the features which are carry forward to MI Band 5 can check the video link just showing right now at the top somewhere here. So today's video will basically answer a few questions like, if you already own MI Band 4, should you consider upgrading to MI Band 5? And one more thing guys, if you don't own MI Band 4, let's say you own MI Band 3 or the basic original MI Band or some other basic fitness band, and considering to buy a fitness band in, or let's say under 2500 rupees, don't think twice, just go and pick MI Band 5. So MI Band 5 has grown in size, in dimensions, and it has also gained some milliampere, some juice. So now it has, to be precise, 15 milliampere more battery compared to MI Band 4. Screen size has also increased marginally. I mean, MI Band 4 is 0.95 inch AMOLED screen and this MI Band 5 is 1.10 inch. So it has gained 0.15 inch of screen space, and that's it, nothing else. I mean, there is no change in hardware, rest everything remains same. On software side, MI has added couple of new features. It has now Pi metrics, then you have more exercises, as I said, to cover, plus there are a few more tweaks, but then there's nothing extraordinary which required a special talking or mention. So that's a thing. Of course, MI is saying they have optimized Band 5 to work more efficiently, to give more accurate data, but then they have not given any specific details like what improvement they have done. So yeah, and so far, I mean, I'm using this band for almost over a month, and the changes are maybe subtle. Sometimes you notice some minute changes or betterment, but then there's not much difference again when compared to MI Band 4. So these are the changes guys, and that's why in the start I said, I mean, if you already own MI Band 4, you don't need to upgrade to MI Band 5. For people who don't have MI Band 4 or who are buying fitness band for first time in the price range of 2500 rupees, for them, yeah, it's no brainer. So guys, it's really getting hot here, so let's quickly cover few claims which Xiaomi is making, like MI Band 5 is more accurate compared to MI Band 4. It has a better heart rate tracking, better sleep tracking. So yeah, let's check few things on camera and see if there is any difference. As you can see guys, I have both the bands on my wrist. So what I'll do, I'll probably run for a few hundred meters and then we'll see is there any difference in reading between these two bands. So let's open a workout and then outdoor running. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Now I did run small distance intentionally to highlight the inaccuracy of these bands, which mostly occurs in short distance. In long runs or walk, most of the time data is near to accurate. One point to remember here is that MI Band 5 has auto pause feature when it detects no movement. Still, it recorded more active time compared to Band 4. Both the band distance are inaccurate. One is under recording and other is over recording. I ran for about 180 meters, and because there is a difference in time and distance recorded between both bands, the rest of the data is different. So now as you can see guys, I mean, there are difference between steps. Here is 3955 and here 3602. Of course I have walked about 200 steps more on MI Band 4 from morning, but yeah, there are some differences in both bands reading. Next we will check out the heart rate readings. Okay, so it's showing 108, but then MI band 5 is also showing 108. So there is no difference when it comes to heart rate reading. Both the bands are showing 108 right now. So as you can see guys, there is clearly a difference, and it's not just this time. I mean, as I said, I'm using the band 5 for over a month, and band 4 probably almost a year. So yeah, there is a difference. Every time you compare both of these bands, there is a slight difference. And when it comes to accuracy, yeah, I have to admit MI band 5 is normally more accurate compared to MI band 4. So yeah, MI has done some work on their algorithms and sensor data computation. I mean, everything is same, but then yeah, the software has changed a bit. I mean, it's more optimized in MI band 5. Should MI send these updates to MI band 4 owners also, MI band 4 bands? Ethically, yes. I mean, MI now know how to make better use of their hardware. So yeah, they can simply send an OTT to all the MI band 4 owners, and then they can probably install it or update it, and yeah, they will also get a better result in terms of accuracy. But it's totally up to MI, and we all know how the market works. So yeah, they need to sell MI band 5 also. But then again guys, the difference or between accuracy is not that big, which will force MI band 4 owners to upgrade to MI band 5. Please keep this thing in mind. In this particular test, when I ran, yeah, of course the difference was almost double, but then MI band 5 was also not accurate. I ran for roughly about 180 meters. So yeah, so both were little inaccurate this particular time, but then yeah, most of the time they are very close to the target. So that's about running. Step meters are very close. I mean, you will hardly find 5 to 10 steps difference between, let's say, every 1,000 steps. So the step pedometer is very similar. Heart rate tracking is almost same. It's not just this time. I mean, anytime you compare both the bands' heart rate tracking, and they almost show similar results. And then when we talk about the app experience, it's same. I mean, MiFit app is same for both the bands. They both show similar kind of analysis and everything. So yeah, overall both the bands are similar. Yeah, one thing, I don't know if you noticed, the MI band 5 screen, I mean display, is not only bigger, it also has a 50 nits more brightness, so it looks more clearer or crisp in direct sunlight like today's. So that's one important benefit with MI band 5 over MI band 4, that it has a better screen, better display. Rest everything, as I said, is very similar, not much to talk about. I have said in start also, if you own MI band 4, don't upgrade to MI band 5. Wait for next generations to come, or opt for a higher segment bands. If you are entering in a market for first time, go ahead and buy MI band 5. So that's it in this video guys. If you have any doubt regarding MI band 5 or MI band 4, any specific doubt or question, go ahead and ask them in comment section. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And yeah, I know the voice quality or the audio quality is not good in this video. I'm in uncontrolled environment outdoors right now. Can't control the road noise. India. People always like to honk. Don't honk guys, come on. So that's it guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, subscribe the channel if you're not yet part to this tribe. I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Ciao.